Video I show you how to fix Google search history not showing problem. For solving this problem, go to settings, then go to apps. Now search for Google app. Tap on Google, scroll down, tap on storage, tap on clear data, tap on delete. Now go to Play Store, search for Google app, tap on Google, update Google app. After completing install, now open Google app. Now tap on search. You can see that search history. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.